You see this flood?
I've seen moisture, but this is not moisture. This is like water.
Ryan, you've got a lot of years in this business, right? Did you ever see a flood for the water to come back onto the system?
Have you seen a roof like this?
No, I've never seen this much moisture in the roof.
And this is my second one in my life. How about you, Eric?
Usually there is moisture, but this amount of water is...
This is actually written on the guarantee document itself, is that if they're going to tie the new roof into the old, you know, as they do night tie-ins, and there's water continually kind of pouring into the new system, like that's going to eventually, that'll avoid the guarantee.
Yeah, I understand that.
So there has to be a way to, I think, to actually roof it, which would be a temp, right? So then that way you're dried in to then allow whatever moisture is coming in to stop it.
The problem with the water is when the new roof won't adhere properly. Because basically your roof, you're gluing it down, let's call it. So the water will interfere with the fastening of it.
So what happens? We have to wait for the whole thing to dry up before we can install anything?
The ideal situation is removing everything, torturing it down so the torch will vaporize the moisture, get it dry, and then you can install the new system on a dry
dry surface, right?
Correct.
The smell is just disgusting, yeah. Oh my goodness.
A lot of water. How much do we get in
Out there.
Yeah, no, that's going to take on yeah, this is unreal.
Yeah. You can work on your change order there. Just do the change order, right?
That's the only thing that is, you
Do
know.
the change order, send it to me, I'll take a look at it. Then
But just continue with doing the temp roof since
You
we're
have
here.
to.
Yeah, we have to.
Well, what else? We don't have a choice, right?
All right, then. Okay, that's
What
all
is
I
it,
wanted
Brian?
to hear.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's just best practice, I think, to get this off and get this tent, you know, get it.
especially for you and your guarantee.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we want the full warranty, like the way you guys, you know.
Yeah, with this kind of moisture and I say moisture, this kind of water in the roof system, I think it's better to get it off. Get it off.
This is water, yeah.
It would be physically impossible for the water not to stay. We put pumps. Jerry, we had pumps all throughout the whole night. The water keeps on coming. I've never seen that like that before.
Well, you know what it is? It has been also months of rain, and the cap that this guy put on the roof made it even worse.
Yeah.
Second cap he put on, the guy who did the work in 2018, 2019 made it even worse.
You know the Jimco breeder vents? When you put a secondary roof on to dry out the
That's the
system,
secondary roof, yeah.
The Jimco breeder vents over there? Guess what he did? He didn't go all the way down to the deck. He only went two layers.
Yeah, well,
that's the main problem they're having right now.
Yeah, really that deep, you know, like maybe an inch and a half.
Said all that wet roofing makes it so pretty gamey.
Yeah, pretty gamey.